guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do low space buns tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy it. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get started.
Comb and a brush, not having it leave-in conditioner, Wetline Extreme Styling Gel, spray bottle, and some scrunchies.
Yeah, my hair is looking pretty wild right now, as you can see. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the back.
Now I am just spraying my hair with warm water. Now I am going in with the Not Having It leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. Now I'm going in with the comb to further detangle my hair. I'm twisting my hair here so I can remember which sections I already moisturized. Here I am untwisting my hair and trying to see which way I would like to part my hair. I am parting my hair here. I put this into a little ball because I am going to work on the other side of my hair. Now I'm applying the gel to slick down the other side. bun is secure. Here I am just separating the part that I am going to sleek down. Now I'm applying gel to the other side. Down the front part of my hair. The twist unraveled, so now I am retwisting it and putting it back into a space bun, and I'm going to use the front part of my hair and tuck it around the space bun. Now I am putting on a scarf to make sure my hair stays sleek. I will take off the scarf when my hair is completely dry. Now I'm back and I'm going to reveal the final result. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like and share. And bye guys.